Hi, my name's Tom. This is my new beautiful Tubicen industrial lamp. I love this thing. This is a touch light. In fact, you turn it on and off with the touch of the top. I'll show you that in a second. But it's got a beautiful industrial glass cube design. It is metal. It's kind of a gunmetal color here. There's a little kind of a switch up here at the top. It's just touch. It's not an actual mechanical switch. And then you have this beautiful just tube of light right in the middle of this glass surrounding. It is a really, really neat lamp from Tubicen. Tubicen makes a lot of cool lamps, make a lot of artsy stuff. This is right in that artsy category, but it's also very functional. You will see it does have a beautiful metal base. It has that industrial feel to it. A couple quick things about this thing. One, it does plug into a USB port. So I'm going to pull it out right here like that. It's just a little USB-C port, a little USB-A port rather. You just plug it back in. My nightstand happens to have that on it. A lot of nightstands do. I'm actually putting it right next to my bed because it's a perfect little light for like reading or just lighting up. It's not too bright. It doesn't blow too much light out across the room, but it is a good light to kind of just fall asleep to or have right here. Now, let me show you how to operate it. All you do is tap it once to turn it on. There we go. Now it has 4 different brightness settings. So this is the brightest, and I'll just tap it real quick. It goes down a little bit, down a little bit, and then one more, down a little bit more. I have another light kind of on the corner there, kind of shining on me, but it is a very, very dim, nice light. This is kind of like a night light. You'd almost just leave this on throughout the night and just sort of let it sit there. It'll just provide just enough light, but it won't wake you up. It's really, really nice. And you tap it again, you go back to bright. Now, how do you turn it on and off? What I can do is I can just hold my finger on the switch for about a second or two, and it flicks off just like that. It also has memory, so that means that when you come back over here and just tap it, it comes back on. If you want to turn it off and leave it this bright, you just again press and hold for a moment or two, and it turns off. It's really that simple. Here with the light off, I just want you to kind of just see the beauty of it. It is metal, it is cubular. Again, it's just great. I could see getting a couple of these things and kind of putting them on a fireplace mantle, putting them in a living room, kind of like accent lighting, just a really, really nice little light. I am going to use it here next to my bedstand for a while, just kind of get used to it. I really like it just for reading. I like, let me see here, let me turn it on. I actually like that. I actually like a little less bright for reading, but I will sit here in bed and I'll just kind of sit and read. It's just a very, very nice, beautiful light. Tubicen makes all these cool modern lamps, and it's just beautiful. It works really well. It looks like it's really well built. It's got some heft to it. It is metal. It's not plastic at all. This is metal, and this is glass. You have to dust the glass every so often, make sure it looks really, really great. But it really is just this beautiful art piece sitting next to your bed. I'm really very impressed with this. Tubicen sent me to go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's what I have. I am really, really impressed with this. They sent me to tell you all about it, and I am very, very impressed. This thing is actually highly recommended.